welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, we are doing Wednesday Addams makeup tutorial. So I'm gonna show you how to get this look, and yeah, if you have any requests on character, cosplay, creative transformation you want me to do, or a tutorial you really want, please leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, I hope you guys like this tutorial, and happy Wednesday. I look like a child with those braids, and yeah, but I reused everything. I think this is just a normal t-shirt, probably for my dad, and this is just a jeans, how do you call this, like flannel or something, and I put that underneath. Like, try to reuse things you have at home. You don't need to buy anything else. But I don't know, I just think that it's so fun, and you can even add on this shirt, I could even have like white polka dot and with makeup, and that will be the costume. So anyway, we're gonna start off now. I already, did my foundation, primer, concealer, powder, and I'm having so much allergies. Girl, you're sleeping with your cat in your face. That's probably why. The first thing I'm gonna do after priming my eyes is putting some kind of like same color skin tone eyeshadow on top. Start with a brown. I'm gonna use this concealer palette just because contouring. Wow, Jesus, girl, get it together. Just because it's what I have near me, and we're just gonna go on like the lowest, like so close to our lash line as possible, and we're gonna blend it out after. This is just the base before probably adding some black eyeshadow on top, but it's just gonna make it look a little bit more messy. So yeah, and I'm focusing mainly on the inner corner and outer corner for just creating a little bit more of a, messy look. But you can do it pretty too by just doing like a black smoky eye as well. This is just, me trying to replicate the actual makeup that they have in the series. So, So, and then we're gonna blend it a little bit just because I don't want it to be harsh. And we're gonna go in with a little black eyeliner. So we're gonna use some black eyeliner. Even a dark brown could work with that for that look, but I don't know. I feel like to really put it justice, we need a little black eyeliner. So I'm using the Makeup Forever black eyeliner, and I'm just gonna go closest to my lash line as well as possible, and just doing little strokes like this on both eyes as well. And we're gonna do the same thing in the outer part of the eye. And I know it looks crazy right now, but we're gonna blend it with some black eyeshadow a little bit better. I'm gonna go in with the same brush I use with the brown eyeshadow on top and just blend it a little bit more. Yeah. And the actress, I don't see that she's wearing false lashes, but I think she has like really beautiful lashes though. And for this look, I probably am, just because since we're doing like, some TikToks after that and some really cute YouTube videos, I feel like it's gonna look better. But in the movies and on sets for those specific cameras, sometimes, especially for like those kind of looks, I feel like it's better without lashes. So anyway, just not looking as the actress as possible, which is not what we're trying to do anyway. Not putting concealer, which is not something that they did. We're just gonna put a little bit of a pink Cure eyeshadow underneath my eyes, and I'm gonna use like a peach, some kind of, I know it's like scary, but trust me on this. So I'm just gonna mix them together and tap the excess, and then we're gonna go in just here just to create the little, like, I don't have makeup look basically. And yeah, I think that is perfect for what we're gonna use. This shadow right here, it's just a grayish, you know, brown on top of this, really lightly. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the under eye. You can be messy with that because, like, it kind of looks like she has the mascara and makeup for like quite a while. And there, right. Next step is gonna be brows. And so again, you know, the buffier the better. So I'm gonna make them a little bit more, you know, extravaganza. Like I said, it is makeup, but they're trying to make it look like it's not. So for the freckles, her freckles are really dark. I'm gonna use a darker, because she has black hair, you know? So I'm gonna use the darker brow pencil here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and have fun with it. And here as well. So then after that, you just tap a little bit just to make it look like it's real. You can even do this with your foundation brush. Something like that. And then we're gonna add mascara. I'm gonna take the most, what I think is the most voluminous mascara that I have. I think those two will work perfectly together, actually. I'm gonna curl my lashes like I normally do. We're gonna add a little bit of contouring, but really, you know, not too much. Says the girl who's now brown. Great. I put too much. So here is what to not do and how to correct it. But anyway, and then lastly, we're gonna use those two lipsticks together. So this is the shade Whirl by MAC, and I'm just gonna put that, you know, that bit. Like this, and then we're gonna blend it with our finger. So we can keep it like this actually, but I'm just gonna darken the edge just a little bit, and then we're gonna add this shade. This is the Pharmacy Matte liquid lipstick, I think. I don't have the color, but it's so pretty. And I'm just gonna add that like in the middle. Could be wrong. And she has some kind of freckles too, so maybe just a tiny bit of blush. But we cannot forget to put highlight because she is really fair, but she has some kind of glow, you know? So I'm just using the NYX contour kit. But yeah, I'm gonna put lashes and come back, and I will see you in 2 seconds. I'm back. So I added lashes and I forgot to press play, but I added some black eyeshadow as well underneath because I feel like I wasn't doing the dark vibe that I was looking for. And I'm just gonna take a random brush and blend it. Hi, this is the final result. So I hope you guys love this tutorial. I will leave everything in the description down below on everything that I used. And I think it was so fun to create. I don't know why. Anyway, I hope you guys have an amazing week. I will see you guys next time. And don't forget to subscribe because I'm doing a crazy transformation like this. And if you have any requests, please let me know. I will leave you to your day and happy Wednesday.